Welcome back. Now I'm going to explain the yellow bulb algorithm. Start with writing down the numbers. So, in this example, we're going to start off with all edges being possible. And basically what we're going to do is divide. So we're starting with this one big group of cells, and we're going to divide all the groups. In this manual it's called partitioning, until all the groups left are either have width of 1 or height of 1. So let's look at the first group in reading order that doesn't have both whose width and length are both not equal to 1. So in this case, it's going to be this whole group. That's just starting point. And okay, if it is wider and tall, taller than wide, no, it's square. So we're going to modulo number by 2. So 51 mod 2 is 1. So if it's number 0, we would partition it vertically, otherwise we're going to partition it horizontally. Now, since we're going to partition it horizontally, we have 3 possibilities where we could do that. We could do that between first and second row, between second and third row, and between third and fourth rows. Now we're going to take the number of these possibilities, which is 3. So 21 mod 3 is 0. So 0 in this list from top to bottom or left to right. In this case, top to bottom is going to be between first and second row. So I will use this bottom square for partitioning. See what groups we have, and this square on top will be the actual maze. Now we need to delete one of the walls. To do so, we're going to take the number of walls we added, which is 4, and 11 modulo 4 is going to be 3. So we're taking the third wall, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, this one, and we're to delete that. So this is the actual maze. This is the layout of all the groups we have. Right now we have this group and this group. Okay, going back to step 2 and basically step 3. First group in reading order, which is not both which is both not length. Basically, in reading order whose width and height are both not equal to 1. So in this case, it's going to be this group. Yeah, so we're looking at this group because this one has height of 1. So we're looking at this group. Since it's wider than taller, we're going to partition it vertically. We have 1, 2, 3 possibilities to partition it. So we're going to take 19 mod 3, which is 1. So 0, 1. It's going to be this vertical partitioning. Okay, since we added 3 cells, 3 edges. Now we're going to take 8 modulo 3, which is 2, and we're going to remove the second edge, so 0th, 1st, 2nd. Okay, next. First in reason order, which has both height and width not equal to 1, is this one. It is higher than wider, so we're going to partition it horizontally. We have two ways to do so, between these rows and between these rows. So 19 mod 2 is 1, so we're going to use this partitioning. We added 2 edges, which means 34 mod 2 is 0, so we're going to remove the 0th edge. First group in reason order, this one. It is actually a square, so we need to take a number mod 2, which is going to be 1. Okay, if it's 1, partition it horizontally. Okay, now we're going to partition it horizontally. We have only one way to do so, so do that. But even if you only have one way to do anything, since in number mod 1 is 0, we anyway going to move the pointer because we're supposed to modulo a number here. Don't forget about that. Okay, we added 2 edges, which means 94 mod 2 is 0, so we're removing the 0th edge. Okay, now this is the only group left, which is not both width and height, which have both height and width not equal to 1. It's higher than wider, which it means we're going to partition it horizontally. We can do that in 2 ways. So 51 mod 2 is 1. Going to be, this is 0th, this is 1st. We added 2 edges, so 21 mod 2 is 1, we're removing the second edge. I mean, this is 0th, this is 1st. Okay, first and actually the only group which is not one by something rectangular is this one. It's a square, so we're going to take 11 modulo 2 is 1. If it is 1, partition it horizontally. Partitioning it horizontally gives us this one, because it's the only way we can partition it. Still moving the pointer. We added 2 edges, so 8 mod 2 is 0, so we're removing the 0th edge. Since now all the groups have at least something, have either length or width or height of 1, we have that means we have a finished generated maze, and we can submit our answer. From white to yellow. That was a yellow example.